Are you looking to improve your camping experience by adding solar to your van to allow you to explore more without the need for electric hookup, or wanting to avoid the increasing electric charges of campsites, all this without the need for any installation? Falcon has the perfect solution for you. The Falcon 130-watt folding solar system is a compact, portable all-in-one solution for keeping your camping batteries topped up. The 265-watt German-designed monocrystalline panels combined are capable of making up to 11 amps per hour. With MPPT regulator technology, this system is up to 30% more efficient than those with traditional regulator technology such as PWM. The regulator comes with built-in Bluetooth, allowing you to connect your device to see how much energy your system is producing, what is stored in your battery, and see the production history for the last 60 days, allowing you to have a better understanding of your production and how much you are able to take out and how much you need to put back in. The MPPT regulator is compatible with all battery types including lithium, acid, gel and AGM. The panel comes with ring terminals and crocodile clips to attach to your battery, with a quick-release Anderson plug so you can leave them attached when packing the panel away in your van. 5 meters of cable comes with the solar system. Along with the adjustable brackets, this allows you to best position the panel to produce maximum energy. An extra 5 meters cable extension is available to buy on the website should your battery be in a more awkward position in your van to reach. Life made easy by Falcon.